In this video, I'm gonna show you how to make motivational YouTube videos without showing your face and without using your voice, just by using free AI website. Okay, I will make this video super easy for you guys, step by step, how you can start your own faceless motivation YouTube channel, easy and simple. So as you can see, I found this faceless YouTube channel uploading just motivational videos, as you can see, and those videos got a million of views. So for example, the first video over here was uploaded 5 years ago, still getting views. As you can see, this is view per hour. As you can see, this is the number of views that this video is still getting per hour, and this video got 67 million views, this one 17 million views. So let me show you how much. So for example, this one video has generated for this channel. Okay, so you just need to copy the link of this video and you can go to Google and you can search for this website. Is this channel monetize.com. This website will show you how much this video has generated. So if you scroll down, as you can see, let's check this video if this video is monetized. And as you can see, this is the same video, no excuse, that got 67 million views, as you can see over here. Okay, and as you can see, this video is monetized. Okay, so this video has generated over $200,000. That's really a lot of money, guys. It's just from one single video. Okay, that's really a lot of money. And of course, motivational videos got like between $3 and $5 for APM, and that's also depending on a lot of things like where those viewers come from and so on. Okay, but of course, this video has generated a lot of money for the owner of this of this faceless YouTube channel, as you can see over here. Okay, so to start making like those videos, what you need to do is you just need to go to ChatGPT. Okay, so just go to ChatGPT, open your account there and sign up by using your email address. The sign up process is super easy and simple. Then you will scroll down and you will ask ChatGPT to make, so let me show you, make an engaging, okay, and friendly YouTube script about motivation, okay, to motivate people to work hard and become successful in life. And here you go. So you just need to ask ChatGPT to make a motivational YouTube video about any topic you want about motivation, and here you go. As you can see, started creating our motivational YouTube script, segment 1, segment 2, and so on. Okay, so what you need to do now, this is your introduction. What you need to do is you need to turn this YouTube script into a voiceover. Okay, so I'm gonna show you how you can do it. So I'm gonna just copy segment 1 to show you guys, so we will not copy introduction. Let's copy this. Okay, for you, you can copy this script, all your script. Okay, then what you need to do to turn this voiceover to turn this YouTube script into voiceover, you just need to go to Google and search for this website. Search for 11 Labs. Okay, so this website will turn your YouTube script into voiceover, and it's for free. You can use it for free. You just need to sign up by using your email address. The sign up process is super easy and simple. After you finish, this will be your home page. Scroll down and put your YouTube script here. Okay, delete this. Segment 1, the power of purpose. Then you can click over here, okay, and you can choose which voiceover you want to use for your motivational YouTube video. Okay, as you can see, they have different voiceovers. I'm gonna just keep using this one. Scroll down and click over here on generate, and here you go.
Segment 1. The Power of Purpose. Have you ever wondered what drives the most successful people in the world? It's all about finding your purpose, knowing your...
So what you need to do next is you need to click on this icon over here, and here you go. Your voiceover will be downloaded to your laptop. So what you need to do now is you need to turn this voiceover into motivational YouTube video. I'm gonna show you how you can do it just by using Canva. Okay, it's simple and free and easy. So if you don't have an account on Canva, go to Google, search for Canva, sign up by using your email address. The sign up process to Canva is super easy and simple. After you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one. So you just need to click over here on video. You can see video, click on video, then you will be directly in this page over here. So what you need to do now is you need to click over here on upload, and you need to click on upload file, and you need to upload your voiceover to your Canva account. Okay, so I'm gonna upload my voiceover, so let me show you. Okay, this is my voiceover over here. Okay, click on open, and your voiceover will be uploaded to your Canva account. Okay, so you should find your voiceover over here on audio. Okay, so you should find your voiceover here. I didn't find mine, so I'm gonna upload it again. Okay, let's see, open. Yes, and here you go. Your voiceover will be over here. Click on your voiceover, then your voiceover will be under this page. As you can see, click over here on add page. Okay, and add more page that will be matched with your voiceover like this. Then go to the first page, click on the first page over here, click over here on element, click on the search for motivation, or you can search for success, motivation, and so on. So I'm gonna search for success like this. Then click over here on videos. It's the same, you can search for success, motivation, and so on. Okay, and you will find a lot of videos here about motivation. So for example, you will use, so you just need to scroll down and choose which video you want to use. For example, I will use this one. Just click on the video that you want to use. Your video will be over here. Click on this 3 points, set video as background like this, then click here and swipe left like this. Okay, make it short. You can control it from here. You can make it short or long, but you should make it short so you can add different videos to make your video more engaging, so viewers can enjoy watching your video. Okay, then search for another video about success. I'm gonna choose this one, for example, 3 points again, set video as background, make it short, next page, scroll down. So if you scroll down, you will find a lot of videos here that will be matched with your voiceover. That's how we can make motivational YouTube videos. Okay, so let's then click on the next page and scroll down and choose another YouTube video. Okay, different YouTube video here, different video on Canva to make your videos more engaging and professional like this. Click on the next page, scroll down. Okay, let's scroll down. We will use this one over here, for example, like this. Make it short, click on the next page, scroll down, add this one here. As you can see, it's easy and simple to make like those motivational YouTube videos. You don't need to show your face, you don't need to use your voice. It's easy and simple. Okay, I will use this one will be the last one, then we will check this video, guys, and let me know your opinion. Okay, so after you finish adding those videos like this, swipe left, go to the first page, click between those two pages, click on add transition and choose which transition you want to add between your videos to make them more engaging and professional. As you can see, there are different transitions over here. So for example, I like to use this one. Just click on the transition that you want to use, then click over here on apply between all your page, and your transition will be applied between all your page. So I'm gonna not use transition now, but you should use it to make your video, to finish this video and make it more engaging and professional. So now let's check this video, guys, and let me know in the comments what's your opinion.
Segment 1. The power of purpose. Have you ever wondered what drives the most successful people in the world? It's all about finding your purpose. Knowing your why gives you the fuel to push through any obstacle that comes your way. Take a moment to reflect on what truly inspires you and write it down. Remember, your purpose is your North Star, guiding you towards your dreams.
And here you go. That's how you can make motivational YouTube videos just by using ChatGPT AI and Canva and 11 labs to turn your YouTube script into a voiceover. So after you finish, click over here on share, scroll down, click on download, then this video will be downloaded to your laptop. Then you can go and start uploading motivational YouTube videos to your YouTube channel, grow your YouTube channel, so you can start making a lot of money from YouTube, because YouTube is a really profitable business. That is really profitable. It's passive income that you can upload videos for years. Those videos can keep getting views and keep making money for you. That's passive income. That's how you can start. So I hope this video is helpful for you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, leave a comment, and see you in my next video.